In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your digital photo. We're going to be using Snapseed to edit our photos. You're going to open it up and click on the big giant plus sign. Then click on Open from Device and scroll down to your favorite photos. You're going to pick your first, most favorite photo that you want to edit in color. You're going to click on your photo, it'll pop up. Then you're going to click on Tools. The very first one where it says Tune Image is where we're going to be working today. Click on the bar at the bottom left and start with brightness. So you're going to take your finger and drag it to the right, drag it to the left, and see where exactly you want to put the brightness. It'll change the brightness of your photo. So sometimes you might be negative, sometimes positive. Then go to contrast, same thing. You don't want it to be overly contrast. So just move it left to right and see where you think it should go, like what best fits your eye. Same thing with saturation. So if you drag it all the way to the left, it will turn it into a black and white photo. And if you take it to the right hand side, it's going to saturate your photo, adding more color. So as you're going through all of the different image tuning settings, try left, right, go both sides. You'll see a certain point where you're like, oh, that looks good on my photo. You can also hold your finger on your photo and just hold it down and see there. You can see the original versus what it looks like now that you've enhanced it. So continue to do each one. I always like to click on my photo too to see the differences that I made so far as I'm going through all of the different image tuning settings for each of my photos. The next one is shadows. Again, go right and left. You want to add a little bit of shadow. You don't want to over saturate your photo with a dark shadow. So it just depends on each photo and the lighting of the photo. And the last one is warmth. So warmth, it really puts like a color in your picture. So it turns more blue or more of an orangish color. So for warmth, you only want to stay close to the middle, but you only might want to go a little bit left or right for that one. So once you're done, you can always go back and play and add a little bit more of any of the different image tuning settings. These settings will really enhance your photo. So just play around with the different image tuning settings to tweak your photo and make it really awesome. We're looking for a really nice digital photo using color, lighting, and also creating depth with shadows and contrast and even color correction just by playing with these settings. Once you're finished making all of your edits and you're happy with your final product, we're going to save this image to the Google Drive. Click on Export at the bottom and then click on Share. Scroll over until you get to your drive. Click on Drive. And this is where you're going to select the folder, go into your drive, and make sure it gets into your special folder for photos. So go to One Photography, My Project One. I would even put it in the starred images, and you can even change the name so it's very easy to find your final photo. And then click on Save Here, and that will copy the photo and upload it to your drive. Before you exit out, make sure to screen capture all of the different settings that you used for this picture. We're going to make sure we take notes on it. We're going to repeat this process by opening up a new photo. So click on Open, and you can slide through to pick your next favorite picture. Once you open your picture, click on Tools, Tune Image, and go through all of the image tuning settings on your new photo. Every photo is different, so it's really important that you do this on an individual basis. You will surprise yourself by tweaking the different tuning settings, how you can get such a nice digital photo. Screen capture what you use for tools, and then you're going to go ahead and export, share, go right over to Drive, get in your magical folder, and make sure you change the name of your new image because it always comes up as that file 00, so that way it doesn't override anything. And I call this To Edited Photo Project One. Since it's the second photo I edited, then you're going to click on Select Folder and get all the way back into your starred favorite Project One folder, then upload. And then you'll have your enhanced images all on your drive ready to go. I cannot wait to see your color corrected photos.